What if you could drive an SUV that lasts longer and costs less to maintain? The truth is, some Japanese SUVs are not just popular, they're also incredibly reliable. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 Japanese SUVs that offer outstanding value for their reliability. Let's dive in. Number 7. 2024 Acura MDX. Starting at $51,500, the 2024 Acura MDX is a luxury mid-size SUV that proves dependable travel doesn't have to break the bank. With a 4 out of 5 rating from RepairPal, the MDX requires only 0.4 trips to the shop each year, which is less than the average luxury SUV. Most problems are minor, and there's an 80% chance you'll get a simple fix. Plus, the annual maintenance cost is around $571, comparable to many non-luxury vehicles. If you want a reliable and feature-rich SUV that's perfect for your family, the MDX could be the right fit for you. Number 6. 2024 Nissan Pathfinder. The 2024 Nissan Pathfinder, with a starting price of $36,800, might not be the most talked about SUV, but it has much to offer. It scores a decent 78 out of 100 for quality and reliability from J.D. Power. Some owners rave about its dependability, while others report minor issues. However, it has no safety recalls, which is a good sign. Nissan backs the Pathfinder with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, plus a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. If you're looking for a family SUV, the Pathfinder has the potential to be a solid choice with proper maintenance. Number 5. 2024 Toyota 4Runner. For those who love adventure, the 2024 Toyota 4Runner is an excellent option. Starting at $41,600, it's known for its reliability, thanks to its robust 4.0-liter V6 engine. Toyota has a history of building durable vehicles, and the 4Runner is no exception. It's designed to handle off-road challenges while providing comfort for daily drives. Although the upcoming models might switch to more fuel-efficient engines, the 4Runner's reputation for dependability remains. If you want an SUV that can handle rough terrain and last for years, the 4Runner is a strong contender. Number 4. 2024 Lexus GX. The 2024 Lexus GX, starting at $64,800, is like that trusty toolbox you rely on. Though it may look a bit dated, it's built to handle tough tasks. The GX has a legacy of dependability, and earlier models have lasted hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. Lexus continues this tradition in the 2024 model with a reliable drivetrain and sturdy construction. This means fewer trips to the mechanic and lower ownership costs. Number 3. 2024 Mazda CX5. Starting at $29,300, the 2024 Mazda CX5 is a stylish and reliable compact SUV. It stands out with its elegant design and sporty performance. With a turbocharged engine option, the CX5 delivers 187 horsepower, making it fun to drive. The interior is just as impressive, featuring a sleek dashboard and a 10.3-inch touchscreen. It's one of the best small SUVs on the market, offering a premium feel at an affordable price. Number 2. 2024 Toyota RAV4. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 starts at $28,600 and boasts a bold design with a roomy interior. Its 4-cylinder engine produces 203 horsepower, ensuring smooth performance and reasonable acceleration. The RAV4 is known for its reliability and spacious cabin, making it a great family SUV. With a mix of utility and comfort, it remains a top choice despite competition from other brands. If you're after a reliable SUV that's easy to live with, the RAV4 is an excellent option. Number 1. 2024 Honda CR-V. With a starting price of $29,500, the 2024 Honda CR-V has a well-deserved reputation as a top compact SUV. Its spacious interior offers over 39 cubic feet of cargo space, making it ideal for families or adventures. The redesigned CR-V delivers a smooth ride and excellent fuel economy, keeping you comfortable during long drives. With practical tech features and ample room for passengers, it's no wonder so many families choose the CR-V. From the luxury of the Acura MDX to the reliability of the Honda CR-V, these Japanese SUVs are worth considering for your next vehicle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on reliable cars and SUVs. Thanks for watching.